Yes, my people, now welcome again to another range of Football Republic podcast with the Republicans. We don't come inside studio again. We don't come to give the latest as they happen from inside the Obodo Europe. We call this one Euro Ball Yarns. And true to the word, we go give now every action where they happen from inside the Obodo Europe, from Premier League, enter Serie A, Spanish La Liga. We will talk about the French League on too, even the German Bundesliga, the breaking news, everything where they happen for all those leagues. We will talk about when Champions League them they safe. We will still talk about the Champions League. Now welcome again, and based on that matter, make I tell now my name. Yes, my name is Natimi, the Pidgin commentator of the Federal Republic PCFR. Another alone inside the studio, as you can see, I get my goons, the Republicans, as with the Wakazi community, they inside this studio with me. And we will start from the breaking news where happened just this morning, Monday morning, as everybody they wake up, they go work. Somebody they leave in own work because they don't sack him. He named the special one, Jose Mourinho. My people, they don't sack him.
Well, you see, this is the matter of sacking. I particularly calm down now.
Start first. I say do what you want to analyze.
Listen now.
Just start to analyze now.
Now there are two things we are going to put on the table. First of all, we know say the sacking of Mourinho based on say in village people open in Calabash.
Nonsense.
First of all, now you now look at it from the scientific angle.
Comment.
One by one, is it because of his pride? Or because of his stasis on top of his players?
Because of what?
His stasis.
As far as this sack they concerned, I feel say sports they very, very unfair.
Enter me.
I don't already enter you already. But it's very, very unfair to sack Mourinho at this point in time. Now sports they find trophy this season. It be like say God won't butter their bread by next week against Man City for the Carabao Cup. It be like say they come to pass. Why sack a man now where you suppose wait until that period where be say he don't finish your work? You know. Say yes, not finish.
Let us sing song for you. Ram pa pa pam, ram pa pa pam. Man down, oh Mourinho, Mourinho, just shut your man down.
You know what? If I don't put that for Polybag, wait, not put that for sack.
For a man, we carried them 4 seasons in charge.
Yes.
We know where Tottenham Hotspur, they 14th.
Remember,
this man carried them.
Two-star men.
I want to ask you one question. You didn't talk about Mourinho. I say Mourinho, now your papa.
He's my guy. Now my guy.
Wait.
Give me one message.
According to my understanding, you get affiliation with Arsenal.
Yeah.
On a good day, if you be real Arsenal fan, if they happy or Mourinho failure.
No.
I
know they're happy on Mourinho's failure. Because you know where I fought Mourinho. They say what goes around don't come around now.
Yes.
You see the badmouth people like Arsene Wenger. Papa will be said on day there.
My father.
And
but remember, now only Arsene Wenger now they always point to saying badmouth. He respects Alex Ferguson.
No, that be quiet. No.
Yeah, but in respect to Alex Ferguson, the only person why I feel say in get problem again with na Benitez, Rafa Benitez.
Yes.
And because Rafa Benitez, they enter him.
He gets problem. He gets problem with Papi FC.
But
make I talk sense. People are talking nonsense. Let me only talk the sense. I'm the sensible one here.
Okay.
Mourinho get issues with everybody. As a Wenger, Benitez in quarrel with Alex Ferguson for his first 3 seasons. Now when he come out, go Real Madrid, they come good. Remember too, when he even come out, he as a Wenger too, they come good. But later they come back. He go Italy, quarrel with everybody. He go Spain, quarrel with everybody. That's why. I never finish my sense. That's now why when get work, they come they make report about him going to Barcelona. The president swear with him mama.
No matter what Mourinho don't do, the fact remains that if he not do as much as people expect him to do this season, but then you got to consider the bros from 14th position for him first season in charge. He finished for 6. Now then they're currently day 7th. Then they final of the Carabao Cup. Tell me what's going to make it.
Now progress for you, Abi.
Progress for me.
I know be Mourinho.
I know say now outspoken person. Mourinho no fit stay with that. If you not talk, Matt they scratch him.
Moderator, your history make who you be.
Okay.
When Mourinho they win, the whole world knows say Mourinho they win. Mourinho give himself some self-acclamatation, some self-worthy name, special one. No, let me they win
only
from
one.
This and that.
The chosen one.
Remember, like
But you know, say sorry to cut you.
Why they cut me?
That special one. No, we need to state the fact. That special one. Now say they ask a question. Say what's the one main they call? When they call him?
He call the special one.
He say, well, you can call me the special
There's
one.
nothing wrong. Say they call him special one. Everybody they get name. You not get name. You not get name.
Everybody get up. Everybody go down. Mourinho lack humility.
You get humility.
Hey, show me, you know me now.
Why they call yourself master?
You know me.
Why they call yourself Labalaba master?
No.
If you're humble, you be
Papito. He saying get humility. Why they call yourself Labalaba master?
That's spiritual name.
Spiritual name.
Now when are they speaking tongues? No. Now when are they speaking tongues like that name? You know the story about when are they speaking tongues?
So
you will say Jose Mourinho no be special person?
You know before.
He is the special one and he proved himself.
No,
he proved himself.
You people are out of points.
Well, we not say drag this matter. I want more quick finish for this one.
Oh
yeah, finish.
You don't let me talk.
30 seconds.
Now, not let me talk here.
30 seconds.
As I give my big size. You don't let me finish.
30 seconds.
Mourinho was against everything good when they reign. But he no say as person take win, person go two go take lose. But when you lose, you get respect. Now when they lose, nobody respect them again. Then go Man U, then sack him. Go to them, sack him. Tottenham then sack him. If you didn't go anybody, go to sack him.
Who they sack?
This guy is suffering from Mourinho PTSD.
So they sack everybody.
So why we can't talk about your own sack?
Mourinho level is different because they sack him in a very disgraceful, shameful way.
The only person why I know say they never sack na Pep Guardiola because every time when we say the team no they go well for them, he run from the club.
He go waka come out.
Yeah, he's now humble guy. But the truth of the matter is say they don't sack Jose Mourinho and Tottenham Hotspur right now, we don't know who be the next person will go feed their coach. Don't they hear say plenty names go come out.
But I still stand by the fact say it's a mistake to sack him at this time.
You can go back club now.
We say Ryan Mason, now the man we go take in charge for Tottenham Hotspur for their next.
Mason.
No, Ryan Mason. No be the same.
No be Mason, no.
No be Mason Mount.
On a Messi.
From there, Boku Shapali, okay, enter the ones that happen for weekend, and we go start from the Premier League matches. Then what happen? We see two big Premier League matches. Then what happen? Arsenal and Fulham, then draw 1-1, and Manchester United beat Burnley 3-1. And then Boku just Shapali talk about Manchester United will beat Burnley because they don't close the gap now on Manchester City. They don't reduce them to 8 points.
Yes.
Hope they.
Yes.
For Man U.
Hope they for them.
Or they just chase shadows.
No, they're not they chase shadows, but I still feel say at the end of the day, then go still finish up second because I feel Man City go hold on for dear life till the end of the season. No matter how Man City be like say they don't tire small because if you watch, then lose the upper week against Aston Villa, you understand that. And of course, for home, for inside the Etihad, now they lose that game. And of course, this week again, it be like say things no good the way we say they take planner, but all the same. Nothing done lost as far as this their Wakade concern. I still see Man City collecting that Premier League title at the end of the season. Okay. Man U go try, but they're trying. Man U go try.
Buchi Shepherd talk about Arsenal draw against Fulham. People may expect say Arsenal supposed to collect 3 points.
Too much emotion go enter.
He na Arsenal fan now.
I feel like person get emotion. My name is Buchi emotionalist.
Put your mouth on the mic, near the mic.
See. Arsenal are a very useless club.
No, not
from please, correction.
No, calm down.
Correction. Arsenal no be useless club.
When they look at history, people they pack FA Cup like fufu. They don't get ambition. What do they do? They can't carry one caterpillar put as manager. They form like saying good. And one kind two. So they go there. Look Arsenal. Let me be very honest here. I know I be sometimes be Arsenal fan, I be supporter. Nah, no be nobody. Arsenal.
So you are for everybody, you are for nobody.
Arsenal say they're big, they're not big again. The simple truth right now, Arsenal they say they get. That's why they vest. They say they super what? They support the Mario League, not super. Because on a good day, Arsenal no follow. You watch that game.
What do you mean by Arsenal no follow?
This now Arsenal was start in 135 years. 135 years.
Agreed.
They never bought my great grandpapa.
We don't even know the history of Arsenal. All the things where my daddy Arsene Wenger work for, they don't destroy them.
Yeah,
last.
Now
where be the fans? Now they cry for say Wenger out.
Arsenal fans too. No, Arsenal get one of the most confused fans in Nigeria.
You are one of them.
Sometimes. That's not why.
You are very, very confused.
That's not why.
Win or lose, Gunners for life.
That's not why Chelsea fan base they confused because most of Chelsea fans are former Arsenal fans.
Thank you very much, Buchi. I make a sharply given at the table for inside the Premier League right now. Manchester City is still the top with 74 points. They don't play 32 games. Them and Manchester United don't play 32 games each. Manchester United in number 2 position with 66 points. Leicester, like you see on top the graphics now, they number 3 position get 1 game in hand, 56 points. Now we want to talk about Chelsea. We'll go talk about the FA Cup where they win a semi-final, and then they number 5 position right now. The likes of Liverpool, see they try to enter top 4. Chelsea want enter top 4. Tottenham Hotspur, we don't sack their coach. They want enter top 4. Arsenal say won't enter top 4, but na 9 they just the day. Last week then day 9, this week then day 9. Then we know then draw na 9 they go.
Don't worry.
Na there the day. From there we go sharply enter the
if you turn the 9 6, they don't go.
Today's 19th of April.
6 they never even enter top 4.
Number 9.
Yes, Moko enter the FA Cup semi-final, and you want to say for Manchester City quadruple don't end. This one na say Pep Guardiola. I know say for in mind he go dey vex say they no fit win quadruple. Even though say outside he go talk say after all he no go for the quadruple in the first place. But what I think about Manchester City against Chelsea for that semi-final of the FA Cup?
Well, I think the Chelsea does the attack. The Man City they do very, very careful because they get nothing much to lose and they don't want to make the disgrace too much. You know, say so I can't disgrace you go get like you go try and minimize them, put your gesture. Again, one video I watch.
You just talk total nonsense.
Leave him make it talk.
Total nonsense.
If he talk.
In fact,
Papito, no mind them.
On this
ignore
note,
him. Ignore him.
What's the difference between you and Jose Mourinho now?
No. I will fight you. Don't ever in your life.
You come into people's life.
Ever in your life.
In fact,
as far as the Waka dey concerned,
negative. In fact, your negative
as far as the Waka dey concerned, yes, Man City know they are their best against Chelsea for weekend.
Yeah.
And again, with the injury to Kevin De Bruyne again, another, and I hear said the guy go there out for almost a month. For people who say they chase both the UEFA's Champions League, they chase the Carabao Cup, they chase the Premier League. It get as it be. As you take talk quadruple, you don't end because Chelsea don't scatter one for them. Now it remain 3. That 3 they pursue now. Imagine if Kevin De Bruyne they fit. Because what more or less, Nine be the engine of that team. And when he begin they perform, you go see cities go change. But for now, they ain't got to regroup again. You understand? Rearrange. So that everything go toilet. And I still see them, at least, out of these 3. They either 2 or the 3 set.
I don't try. That nonsense you just talk to.
Okay.
Bless, actually,
you talk your own nonsense.
Actually, if you don't talk any sense,
no, Buchi won't talk nonsense. Let her talk nonsense.
No. Today, I wear shirt. I'm in my sex mood. I won't get carry my face mask.
Can you imagine?
So, this one just analyze nonsense. This one can add the nonsense too. People know they give Chelsea the credit they deserve for beating Manchester City.
No,
wait, calm down.
I actually give them credit. If you listen what's in at all, I said Man City was poor against Chelsea. Chelsea was the better team.
No, know what you talk. See. And they go online everywhere. The people go they talk say City play poor. City no play poor. Chelsea make them poor. Mom put on like this. See,
for like, a team where they chase 4 titles, where they week in week out, then they Europe, then they play FA Cup, then they play Carabao. Remember, say no preseason, no preseason, Haba.
You want me to lose my?
It is very difficult for you to be at your best week in week out. Very difficult.
I don't know why they make excuse for Manchester City.
How many trophies Chelsea they chase this season? How many then they chase?
Who gets the squad depth of Manchester for England? Who get their squad depth?
Chelsea get the depth.
When it comes to quality, no.
Yeah.
When it comes to quality,
yes.
City said,
are you kidding me?
No. So when you invest, let me tell you, when you
Chelsea said don't invest. The same
amount
of investment.
Do you know how much Frank Lampard?
No, I'm not gonna allow you to
do you
step
know
on that
how
point.
much Frank Lampard spent before he left Chelsea?
City beat team can beat some team first team.
Who says? You.
It's fact out there. You don't know football.
Second team.
None of us anything.
The truth of the matter is say, Buchi, the truth of the matter is say, Chelsea invested 200 million pounds.
Thank you, under Lampard.
I don't talk again. I will talk.
Oh yeah, finish.
Chelsea played so well for that match. I never see team with close spaces like Chelsea.
Excellent, true.
I swear, Makachuku, Chelsea closed the spaces. Even De Bruyne, when they played that first half, he no play anything. And Jovita,
see, only you want.
And Jovita, don't say because of Kevin De Bruyne now. Might take you back before Kevin De Bruyne get injury. City they win matches well when he get injury because they get squad depth.
Yeah.
If Kevin De Bruyne come out.
But whether we like him or not, we cannot question. We don't feel questioning contribution. True or false?
My people, Moku Shapali leave Manchester City and Chelsea because if I continue that matter here, today we no go finish. But good one for Chelsea. Thomas Tuchel in they trying best to make sure say Chelsea is still there in contention to win title this season after Frank Lampard no being start the season well. And remember, say Chelsea don't enter semi-final of the UEFA Champions League. They'll play Real Madrid. Now they don't enter final of the FA Cup. Chance there for them to meet Leicester City and win that cup. But a good one. Quickly, more talk about here Nacho. He scored the winning goal for Leicester City. This one at their first final ever for inside FA Cup, and good one for Leicester City, good one for Kelechi, the senior man.
I'm moving to Kelechi's compound. I want to use the soap he's using to bath.
Okay.
So now we'll bath together because of 14 years.
Yes.
But I want to associate myself with greatness.
Move.
I'm tired of staying with Bucci.
Thank you.
You never bully me every time.
He don't do.
No, we have never stayed
And
together.
over the weekend, my people, Moku Shapali tell us say Sheffield United then relegate, then confirm their relegation after they lose their match. Norwich City don't get promotion because the team was supposed to give them that bumper to bumper push. Those ones they no collect points. Swansea City. So Norwich, Daniel Farke, their coach, him don't bring back Norwich City to the Premier League.
But the thing we just there, I know I'm be like say I be bad belly person, but the truth be say, see the way they carry come.
That's what they will carry go.
They carry go like
Okay,
shit.
right,
And about learning lesson. See, this league, and look well, the team where Norwich carry go back. Now still most of the team we say carry them.
They
Come on.
yeah.
Pookie did here.
Yeah.
Kanswell did here. Angley did here. Crew did here.
Buendia.
What they supposed
Yeah,
to do?
Buendia, yeah.
What they're supposed to do now?
Get
na
one
to
time where
add-
that guy be hot
na
cake
to
for
add
Europe.
More experienced players. And like 3 or 4. Don't make them too much. Don't be like 4 now where they confused. Or be like you get one of that way can spend money then still go back. You need to add to important segments of this segmentation. So that the
If
squad
like that
go
club
fit
we want
plant.
the Queen's Park Rangers.
Exactly, we complete that team on them.
QPR,
Now the most fuck it. If you hear it, fuck it. If you hear the interview where fuck it do when they get promotion, if you hear interview, he talk say he learn in lesson. He talk calm. Check your phone now. Your phone they waste.
Thank you.
He talk say learn in lesson.
Thank
So
you,
right now,
Bucci.
now, when they
No, we hope so. You know, the most
Wi-Fi.
important thing
Yes.
be say then learn, then come back.
Then come back.
Now to stay now be the
Then
thing
They
the
don't
way
come.
be
They
the
don't
cocoa.
come. They don't come
Uh-huh,
back.
they don't-
They don't come. They don't come. They don't come. Let's go. Let's move on. Let's move on.
right.
Spanish La Liga, Real Sociedad that lose for house against Sevilla 1-2. Atletico Madrid beat Eibar 5-0. Getafe and Real Madrid draw 0-0. The chance is now for Real Madrid to win La Liga title and close the gap on Atletico Madrid. The team don't enter one chance because right now, as we be for Real Madrid, now draw, they no collect points. And the points now don't increase. From 1 point last week, it don't increase now to 3 points. Atletico Madrid don't move up 70 points. Real Madrid 67. But Barcelona then get game in hand. Don't be saying they go play because last weekend they play Copa del Rey. So that's so it take me. But any chances for Real Madrid to still fit push for title?
See, I like they watch La Liga up. I like them. The only MPFA they watch and Premier League. They watch
Monkey post.
they watch La Liga. You know they wouldn't watch anything. You wouldn't watch. You don't understand. So they watch everything. You don't think you get one time was Atletico Madrid 11-point stop
Yes.
before they come.
As at January itself.
Before they come mess up.
Yeah.
Yeah. But right now, they don't do any competition where they give them wahala. After they see the champions, they get their head no focus. If you look their squad well, Suarez no play yesterday and win 5-0. Korea and Llorente scored 2 goals.
Yeah.
2 sweet goals. And they get Simeone talk say, he don't learn. And what he want to do right now, not to win the La Liga again. Don't forget, say, winning the La Liga ahead of the 2 giants in the world.
A big deal.
Barcelona and Real Madrid.
Now the biggest deal be that.
That's now mean say you be coach. It means say you be coach. And if you do them again with former Barcelona man Suarez, we don't score plenty goals for Ram. See, if Simeone don't win La Liga, Timmy, you and me. look
All
at me.
this
I
one
give
where
my
they
salary.
talk
No,
now,
come on,
watch.
Wait.
All
On
this
record.
already take now, watch.
Sexy Where's Sexy Joe?
Talk about
Okay.
money.
Men are quiet.
All right.
Papito, please
Yes. Money.
be quiet.
Money.
I'm a man on my
Please,
words.
on records.
Man on my
On
words.
record.
Man on my words.
Talk him again.
If Atletico Madrid no win the 2020-21 season La Liga season, tell me what year I give my salary.
Bam. Thank you very much.
All right, on top that salary, make I just add one thing, join.
Sharp.
Now, very, very open league now. Whether we like them or not, 70 to waiting 67 to waiting 65. What thing they use past themselves?
Now just 5 points.
And how many games remain to be played? So it's still a very, very open one. It is open.
7 games and 6 games.
It is very open. What is the guarantee Atletico will win? There are many matches.
Even Sevilla says if he jump.
And they tell you, so it's still the league is open. It's been blown open and it is open. Anybody can take it. Why not go for you? Why would you say Atletico Madrid not go winner? Look at the points.
Yeah, we don't see them.
Look how many games remain.
Sexy, we don't see them. Thank you very much. Shapalimo will talk about the Copa del Rey final. Atletico Bilbao. It be like their village people sit down on top of their matter because this one is the second Copa del Rey final we say going to enter this month. Remember, April 3rd, they meet Real Sociedad for the same Copa del Rey final, but this one last season old. They lose on 1-0. This time around, they meet Barcelona. Barcelona beat them 4-0. But normally, if they meet Barcelona for final, 4 times they don't meet Barcelona for final, Barcelona don't always beat them. Messi, they always score goals, at least 2 goals almost every time we they meet. And you want to say for Barcelona, this one is their 31st Copa del Rey title, where they use beat Bilbao. But the talk of the matter now, be say, Ronald Koeman don't win in first title for Barcelona. Any hope say this job, he go secure the bag?
Well, under Joan Laporta, remember I said the man since we don't atone the presidency, they try to make a lot of changes, bring a lot of changes to the team, convince Messi to stay, which I'm seeing is very possible because if like say Messi don't they change man small, he don't babble in beer, he's looking like a very young man these days. So I think he's succeeding in that area, and I feel Messi, whether we like him or not, Barcelona need Messi at this point in time because a lot of crisis they're wrong with the team right now, and of course this guy, despite I won't come out, since when this man enter, don't they give him best, even more than they give before. You understand? So I feel Ronald Koeman, yes, it's a good one. He don't win a first trophy, but a lot of work still needs to be done. He gets some players will go come up for that team. He gets some new additions where then go need to put, but then money no day, no progress.
Now you get their pocket. Don't they worry Barcelona, one of the most richest clubs?
Financially, they are in a crisis right now.
I'm their secretary now. I can't out.
No, I'm their treasurer.
No, I'm their treasurer. In a very defensive mood today.
No, I'm not being defensive, but that is the truth.
I'm not being defensive for PG podcast.
I want make you know, say.
No.
Wait, calm down.
No, it's very wrong now.
Sexy girl, they sure say she goes school.
Sexy, make I tell you what you know. Buchi did there. I personally transferred over $150 billion for this account.
Your partner $50 billion. In fact, your generation $50 billion. Your generation.
You know what I said?
Okay.
Don't worry.
Buchi just come this show, come the hear people. May no worry. One of these days, don't even go anchor. I go enter and wear. One of these days,
Or we go custom for us.
somebody go anchor so that I go fee enter Buchi wear. You think so?
But fantastic one for Ronald Koeman.
Yeah,
he
say
go
no.
places. Now former Barcelona player, he know their philosophy. He can do better.
You don't know anything.
From there, Boku move to Italian Serie A.
You don't know anything.
And then
You lie. Which mama?
He don't do.
But the best coach on
He don't
Nigeria.
do.
Oh, we are.
He don't do.
Abia.
He don't do. Italian Serie A, we could talk about AC Milan. They win 2-1 against Genoa, and they don't close the gap on top Inter Milan because Inter Milan drop points against Napoli. The biggest match for inside Serie A this weekend, that Napoli versus Inter Milan. Usime, our own man, in follow play, but then come out time for that match. But now 1-1 that match finished. So you want to say Inter Milan don't drop points, but the big news now say Ronaldo no play for Juventus, then lose to Atalanta. This one is the first time in a long time that they play Atalanta and they lose. Pello come out they talk say they miss Ronaldo.
You know Ronaldo? Ronaldo
25 goals, league goals.
See, Ronaldo na the fufu for the soup. You know, say fufu na the best swallow.
Yes.
Ronaldo,
That's a lie.
I agree.
No,
I agree.
Pounded yam is the best swallow.
I agree too.
You know, this guy that won't nonsense guy.
I agree too.
He's a moderator.
So,
he has to on defense.
On a good day, see, I think one of the key issues with Ronaldo, now the management wey Pirlo in no get sense. Pirlo na the Italian version of Arteta. They think they're too much. Nothing they sabi. Nothing they sabi.
Because they play football.
Nothing they sabi. Nothing. Because they get plenty here. Become guy. Let's say get sense. Nothing. You know they manage Ronaldo in a way you go manage Ronaldo. The pressure right now. I watched that match yesterday. The Juventus no get where to come from. If they carry the ball over, they go pass.
No point, man.
No direction. The annoying thing is say, even if Ronaldo plays sometimes, he they frustrate because everybody and body they go. Marky good when in the Real Madrid, at least if they score plenty goals, but in get players who they take responsibility.
Yeah, like Karim Benzema.
At least if you no play, others go assist man to play.
True.
For Juventus, tactically wise, nonsense. Positioning wise, nonsense. Coaching wise, nonsense. Quality wise, nonsense. Everything about Juventus right now.
Even the
now,
ones that way they talk is nonsense.
I'm not going to lie to you.
I go totally.
After they analyze now, and they let you talk
Let
now.
her finish. Let her finish.
Of course, you get that for head. And they still analyze.
But you don't spoil our Michael.
Sorry, I go buy again money.
Which money he gets?
So, but this Juventus team, just one of the worst teams I don't ever see in my life. And again, at the age, Chiellini, 36 years. Bonucci, 34 years. Buffon, 102 years. We don't even know, like, no plan of succession for the Juventus team. And they can't get Nwapuda as manager.
But they bring in small boys.
Who they bring?
Weston
You know,
McKennie.
one of the reasons why.
Who they bring?
One of the reasons why.
Bring boys.
I think I agree with
Thank
Bucci.
you.
One of the reasons why Maximilian Allegri come out be say.
Yeah.
When he first come, he tell them say make them sell Ronaldo to give younger ones
You
a
know,
chance.
tell them, you be
And
lying.
they come.
You know, tell me very siam. No, tell me very siam.
let
Wait, now.
They here to educate people. Now lie.
Now one of the reasons.
Yeah.
And
Who
then
tell this one? Who
Let
tell this
her
one?
talk.
Now lie. Now don't give false information.
Shebi, you
Let
don't
her
talk
talk.
your own.
Now lie.
Talk your own information. I might talk my own now.
Makachiku.
Now.
No ever talk say.
Why they show this
You
your
want
Ronaldo
Ronaldo
pass now?
As
We
he
don't
talk
hear.
your own
Like,
finish,
like.
he know to take, then sack him.
Yes.
Right? Now, I totally go with waiting Bucci talk in a way and
No,
waiting
with
Pello
me.
talk.
Don't let it.
Why you going
Pello talk say
first
they miss Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Now, in terms of goal to game ratio,
Yeah.
Ronaldo get him. In terms of to score goals and to also assist, give goals, Ronaldo did there.
Yes.
So when you look at the fact say he no dey there, he get as he be. I no
he
go
be
call
as he
him
get.
over dependence on Ronaldo. No. Now just be say Pello. Remember when you want to take this job, Gattuso tell and say no be small picking job be this one. You can't just come all the way from the US. Feel say on a platter.
This one boss.
You go down to Onyo
No,
Budia.
leave her. I know,
Talk to
you know
platter.
this place again.
For a guy wey dey 36 years to still dey score, he's the highest goal scorer for inside Italy right now, 25
Yeah,
goals.
yeah.
No be my mind.
At all.
I think Juventus, true, then get aging squad. But then small boys don't they come through the ranks. But now
Kulusevski,
how Pello?
McKennie.
Because these ones, he don't they used to them. Them be veterans, them be legends for the game. He no know how he go take they inject these small ones, enter the team small.
Yeah.
And now see where them dey. If Ronaldo no dey, breeze blow, we see foul. So I don't know how
See foul,
Pello want
yeah,
use do am. Even as I dey even expect, I even say them go even first Pello follow side manager so them go even
First
sack.
sack.
Yes, as far as they concerned because
But good one for Atalanta. They collect 3 points against Juventus. That's what I mean. Say they don't move up the table for inside the Serie A. They don't do number 3 position on top of the table. Inter Milan still they maintain on their number 1 position with 75 points. AC Milan don't close the gap small. That one now to 66 points. They don't reduce them just by 9 points. Before now 11 points. Atalanta they number 3 position with 64 points, and Juventus they bring up that number 4 position with 62 points. From there, Moko enter the German Bundesliga, and the biggest news will come out from inside the Bundesliga, and I say the man where they coach Bayern Munich, Hansi-Dieter Flick, talk say once this season don't finish, him go come out for Bayern Munich work. But he don't tell us when they go. But the big news now, I say the Bayern people, the orgas them for Bayern Munich, they say they're not happy at all with him. Say in come out to come announce, say in go leave the club when they be agreed together when there are 2 mates, that is the board. And as if Flick say, you don't need to go to the press, go talk this one now because we still they fight for the Bundesliga title.
Jovita, I beg, wait. Me, I go wait. I want to know if this woman, Papito, know who be asking Flick. Please answer that question.
He they say for
I want
team.
make you make you answer.
he
Make
dey-
you analyze this one. Answer.
Now, thank you for giving me the floor. He said, Hansi Flick, before he got into this film that he got into, we were together in secondary school.
Oh, no.
Before he started coaching Bayern Munich. Now, calm down. Listen, calm down. The only thing we pay me pass for this whole package, you see now, Hansi Flick. Before he made it in life, both of us, they wrote tired together for street.
Okay.
Are you there? Now, before God call answer a prayer, because if they mountain of fire before they pray on top of the mountain, God call answer, I can't go Bayern Munich. As he got to Bayern Munich, I tell her, say, please, work with the rules of the board. He forgot it. Now, the board are against him. And when the board are against him, you know what that means? There's no chalk to write on the board.
are you serious?
Now, that's what they're facing now.
Okay.
So
You carry
told him,
mouth,
calm
they
down.
yarn this
I
one.
told him, wait, calm down. I told him that if you want to leave this place, live with honor, live with regard, with respect to reputation. Don't live like Bucci.
Thank you. Thank you.
And if he's leaving, he's coming to Papi FC.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. But Sexy Joe, quick one. Waiting suppose don't do better. She making stick to waiting them agree for inside boardroom when he meets them saying go leave at the end of season. Or I think come out now talk not the best for Bayern Munich.
My brother, when you see the signs, it's better you take action immediately before they help you take action. Okay, make you sit down and wait until they tell us say Hansile. He say Oberije or na Mbano. He don't see the signs. In recent times now, we don't see some kind of cracks for inside Bayern. I don't know whether not the injury of Lewandowski opened this one. Even way before the injury itself, things don't. This guy don't win everything. What he stay there, they do. And he's even in a better position right now to replace Joachim Löw. So why wait? The signs are there.
So I think come out and announce for the public, not the best.
He good as he announced. In fact, we don't smell him. Even before he come and talk, we don't smell and say this bros won't come out.
Even as the people when they work for employers talk say, no go outside, go announce this thing.
What is the difference? He talk at night, talk at end of the season. I still the same talk, he talk. And you know the same talk.
Bucci.
Timmy, now butter, we join with fly, make him butterfly.
Hey, Remo.
I won't give to Baka again.
He don't do. Let her finish.
See, the talk say he get when he come sign all these club wahala. He get waiting as we fans. Obi say we know they know. For Flick to come outside to announce, I'm insane. Don't tell the board. If you look away from the anger, then they vex say in announce them before them. But Flick go get in your place when they come from. Bayern board get the own place where they come from. They get small misunderstanding. Then vex and talk to them because then tell them say make them focus on their next game so that the players go they focus, connection go they there before in announce them. But Flick not be man. Flick don't take for this game. Don't manage Bayern German national team twice as assistant coach. Don't even manage some other team now 53 or 4 years 9B. So he not be small man for this thing. And also there's something called leverage. Sorry how I use English. I don't get the pidgin to use them. Leverage.
It's called leverage. Leverage. It's called leverage.
And you say you go talk say you come out with 2-1 now. You go say you graduate with 2-1.
Finish with 2-1. Now 1-2.
Leverage.
Like beverage.
So,
coverage.
He don't do.
Anything he get rich.
Yeah.
For the matter. So on a good day with the experience where you get, I look one German journal. I don't forget his name.
Joe Pariska.
Get out. I don't forget his name. But when he talk say Flick do what he do because he won't get leverage because the Bayern body plan pent and bad. Saying I need this and that. So on a good day, he can go outside and say, oh, you want to shoot me? Let me shoot you people first. And now in don't day, and whether I like him or not, in they live when the ovation is loud.
Yes.
He did very important this life. Now Zidane.
Now the best thing be that.
Zidane teach, not they be my backup, I beg. Now Zidane teach these managers when to leave when the ovation is. So when you come back on your own terms. Because some club managers, some they sabi disrespect managers. When you win, then go hype. But the moment you just get too bad, they'll sack you. So in go come back now, they'll put down paper. Terms go there say, if you sack me, give me the club. So in gets angry where they come from.
Well, as it be right now,
give you the club. Where did you do that one?
Merkel tell now say Bayern Munich still the top for inside the Bundesliga after 29 games, 68 points. Now they get the likes of RB Leipzig, Wolfsburg, Eintracht Frankfurt, all of them then they top 4. The surprising thing, Borussia Dortmund still they number 5 position on 49 points. Hope for them to qualify for Champions League still they very far. They need to win their matches, close the gap on Eintracht Frankfurt with the number 4 position. For French League on, it will be the French championnat. Lille dropped points against Montpellier on Friday last week. PSG then score 3 goals against Saint-Etienne when Saint-Etienne scored 2 goals. But the sweet thing about that match, my people, now say all the goals, the 5 goals between PSG and Saint-Etienne, all of them happen for inside the last 12 minutes. And extra time of that match. You want to talk say big match after 78 minutes. Bordeaux lose for house. Monaco self win, then beat Bordeaux for house 3-0. Lyon self win. So as the table be for inside the French League on, you want to talk say yes. PSG don't close the gap on Lille. Just 1 point separates first and second. Monaco self they try to win contest for that title. Then they on 68 points. Just 2 points separate them and Lille. Even Lyon self now 3 points they separate them from Lille. So chance day for anybody to still win that one for inside the matter of the French League. Okay, from there, my people, Moku Shepali enter the one who will call Ojodo referee as it happened for weekend, and the match will go chukuli I put now the Arsenal versus Fulham match. That one they play for inside the Emirates Stadium. Make I sharply tell now the referee where we say we go the touchlight in matter. The name of the referee where we go touchlight in matter now Stuart Atwell, because now they in charge of VAR. From there, my people, make we start. Buchi, now you follow on the updates.
Yes.
For this match.
Yes.
Arsenal, Fulham.
Yes.
We see goals where we say then chalk off. Ceballos goal. I never till now. I never understand why Ceballos goal no stand.
Chai.
Now I not gonna understand why Arsenal equalizer stand. I don't understand. Buchi, give us explanation.
See, on a good day, you know if you explain referees for England because they don't get sense.
Everybody don't get sense.
No. Those ones they don't get sense.
Okay, certified.
Because referee they go through training, but they don't train them at all. They be spoiled children. But you don't go blame them. If Pekin spoil, you go look the parents. The parents like what the referee at the Premier League, because this referee when they make this mistake from day one, even before VAR. But if referee make mistake today, the referee go play again next tomorrow. Then talk say if you no punish Pekin where they mess up, the Pekin go spoil more.
So the moment they punish them.
My point be say, shut up, I'm smart at the talk. My point be say, the Premier League they draw on purpose. You know why? Timmy, no be say yes to do the referee. Premier League will be the best league in the world. In terms of football.
So they want to trend.
Premier League, now the most controversial league in the world.
So they are doing it
when
to
there
trend.
is trouble, there is talking points. When there is talking points, there is coverage. People I go dead here.
So you talk to the do
When
for
it comes
trend.
to shut up again, when it comes to football, they're not
Make it
good
two.
at all. Mature no ginshin.
Make it 3.
When it comes, they're not good at all. Now that talking point, they give them the rep where they deserve, and that's why I talk say VAR no go make them to the make that their mistake. What they make it is very very sad because VAR is supposed to come help us with the game.
Yeah.
But now they make
Simplify
VAR
the
look
rule.
foolish. You know the meaning of being foolish. Foolish a process of person no. You know say no go no. He
And
try
you
to
know what even no
You
say
know
no.
say no go no. But he go no sharp. But you don't know when he go no. So
See,
in a person, we just use style. They daft in every sense. That not the Premier League. Talking about the match, no verse. Calm down. A smart man is talking. Talking about the match. The match
For your
bad.
pocket.
Like you talk that first goal. I don't know why they cancel him. They don't say about that first goal. They say the second goal. When one score, they're supposed to cancel down
because
accept it.
yeah.
They can't give him. The third goal, it did obvious say Rob Holding. They interfere with
exactly.
the game, but they can't get. You know why they give him?
Because they don't
pity
do
Arsenal.
mistake.
Because they don't cancel Arsenal first 2 goals. They can't say maybe they even give them. That now the highest level of irresponsibility in a very complicated, annoying, stimulus way.
But Buchi, you
Thank
have to be
you.
more
I
irresponsible than
think
that game.
as long as the referees for inside England fail to apply VAR the way we be say FIFA will bring and come take talk am, then go always get controversies every weekend, every match day. They go always get controversies. Some of these referees then be one of the best for inside world. When I say one of the best for inside world, a lot of them they referee big games for Europe. Both for qualifiers, both for UEFA's Champions League, both for FIFA competitions. So why they know they cause controversies if they go do those ones? For you to know, say, then they purposely.
Just like Buchi talk.
Yes, I don't know what's in talk.
Then
Then they purposely not interpret or use the VAR the way we say they take design them. When the VAR come, I remember an article where I read some time ago, then talk and say, FIFA don't do their own. Then they won't make their own different. They don't apply them the way they're supposed to apply
Based on
them.
who them be.
Thank you very much. And now, every time we see controversy, and it is not good for some of these teams. Like a team like Arsenal disallowing all those goals. Imagine the 3 points where for carry them land now.
They put the 9.
What?
Then they go anywhere.
And the referee were even there for middle.
Their land is
Apart
tough.
from the Stuart Atwell, were there for VAR. The referee were there for middle, Greg Paulson. Himself, na controversial man. He they hardly give red.
All of them.
In fact, now
But
one
he
of the
don't
referees
give
where
red.
they always give.
Now just the Ojoro VR.
Uh-huh.
So now Stuart Atwell and I will
Exactly,
go flog.
and controversy is no far from him. All this award penalty and award this one. He gets some against Liverpool Man United. I think that was in 2018 or 19, where he officiates them. Now the same issues.
Thank you. Buchi will not get time.
You say
Will
who will go flog? No.
Who
Not
go
flog
flog?
the referee. Flog the English FA. The referee association.
But they now then put somebody in charge of VR.
Because
the man where they in charge of VR and they make the mistake.
maybe
Maybe
they punish the man.
So now he will go flog.
Flog all of them.
The other time,
Flog
my
everybody.
Dean, now so then say my Dean, and of
Flog
course
everybody.
Lee Mason.
Yeah.
Because of the problem where they get there, so okay, Lee Mason no go officiate. My Dean officiated the next match again.
Okay, time no day, my people. Moku from there, sharply giving her the bonus point, the bonus talking point. And this one, now one-on-one, I sure say Sexy Joe and Buchi, they go feet break this one for us. Because right now, we don't hear say big clubs for inside Obodo, England, Germany. No, not even Germany, self. England, Italy, and Spain. Talk about the clubs then for England. Now, Manchester United, Liverpool, Arsenal, Tottenham Hotspur, and Chelsea. With one other team, I think Manchester City. All of them now don't go join. They don't go do Paracoism with Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, and Barcelona for Spain. With AC Milan, Inter Milan, and Juventus. All of them now don't join hand. So they won't form a breakaway league. But the problem right now, say, as they don't go tender and give UEFA, all their football association don't know. To the what they hear now say, UEFA they come out to talk say, then go do everything within their power to punish both the club and the players wey follow go play for this breakaway Super League. Now, the question what they ask now say, share UEFA and football associations for England, Spain, and Italy, should then get the right to punish clubs and players wey follow play for this breakaway European Super League.
It just be like say they ask us now, say as we they walk over Zobia, say who will go report if you mess up. They're not go punish us.
No, because every club, make I tell you your stupidity. Wait,
See,
no. Now, wait.
I have to call you stupid. Not that I'm stupid.
I
understand your question perfectly.
Wait. No, Buchi guys to understand. Say you have to make your point,
Yes.
And your point where you go make, you guys to follow waiting I thought because now they run this show. You understand?
Wow.
So
You want to sawa me now?
as I ask you question, answer my question now. Say, is it right or wrong?
But the question is just stupid.
Answer it.
Okay. The question is just stupid.
Make a first
Wait,
answer.
no, calm down.
My first answer now.
No, because I don't say you right no to give a wrong answer. See, the cocoa or the matter be say. Don't forget, say as all these clubs release their own. UEFA in partnership with Premier League, FIFA, La Liga, Syria, everybody don't come and talk say then they against the Super League.
Okay.
Remember, then do one first before they can come out their own. I read the statements where the clubs then they release. They thought the reason why they want to promote their league now because say they want they able financially. They talk say each club will get like $3 million or pounds or something like that. Say money go day because they want to know their revenue. That's why they feel like say UEFA they cheat them.
Okay.
So they want you to know their revenue. And again, you they wonder on a good day, these clubs report to UEFA and FIFA. Everybody get body where they report to. If one club get more power, while a day, and on a good day too, you go blame UEFA because they make some of these clubs they very powerful.
Okay.
Very, very powerful. They make them come out this payments gap where players what they collect money. They say no. They can't let the big money come in. They can't make owners they invest their own personal money for football. It is very wrong. My daddy, the Lord and Savior of football, talk this thing since. Say it will happen. I thought it happen.
So would you answer the question?
So I try. I'm a smart man.
You are going round and round.
I try to advise you.
Oh, what kind of smartness is this?
Oh, you are finished.
I'm gonna slap you. It very wrong for clubs to come from Super League.
So UEFA
you know
did
why?
right.
Yes, you know why?
To punish the
Because
clubs.
yes, punish
and
players.
punish their
and the
papa,
players.
their destiny.
Thank you.
For grave.
Sexy Joe.
30 seconds. No, I know say I talk too much. No,
30 seconds. In fact, 10 seconds.
The reason why this is dead wrong for me now because the focus right now they on bigger clubs. That's why they call them super. But if you look at them in a sense, we have plenty more smaller clubs than the bigger clubs. So right now they want the talks now say if you not get level as club, you not go fit compete. That be the cocoa.
Yeah, Sexy Joe.
Well, for me, then talk say this sky they very very big enough for everybody
to fly.
I feel say as far as they concerned,
Yeah.
for UEFA, then they're very very insecure. I know say yes, I know where then they go. Then they won't fight for maybe a competition like Europa because once this Euro Super League don't come now, competition like Europa. Then go come out and for setting. All those smaller clubs then go get issues. You understand? And of course, waiting these players, some of them are football, then sabi play. A lot of these players no go school. They don't know waiting else than fit do with their lives, if not play football. Now, if these top big clubs go form, in fact, they don't form and they don't make them official, they don't even bring out trailer. For this the European
League.
And some Americans they push this. Don't know they don't they push and they come. And now they don't even confirm Florentino Perez as their new president. You understand? You understand? So all these things
Let
UEFA
her talk finish, Buchi.
UEFA don't look am. True. UEFA be part of the problem.
Yeah.
But instead make them right their wrong. Then they too slow. And these top clubs, now clubs will be say, you don't see what they talk about to break away from their own league. And the opportunity come and then use them. Because who then go put honey for him mouth? We go talk say, I want salt.
I lie.
I never hear them before.
I like salt.
That's why you have so much insult.
Yeah, sexy your wrap up, I beg.
So as far as they're concerned, I just feel UEFA they're insecure and make them allow these clubs do what they want to do and allow the players play for whomever they want to play. They shouldn't deduct points. They should not make them no come out, what do they call them? Punish players or punish club side. Now you will plan the team. As you not plan a what, somebody else come
Go
plan them
plan
better. And you can't complain.
Event
It's
planning.
not fair.
Yeah.
Timmy,
Final.
in all seriousness, are they very disappointed in Jupiter?
Thank you.
Who appointed you in the
Because
first
They're very
place?
disappointed.
Everybody even
Nobody
there
appointed
disappointed
you.
at you.
Oh.
Everybody.
I'm not disappointed
In
at
fact,
him.
in
I am
him.
disappointed against him.
There's nobody here. There's nobody
Yes.
here.
I am disappointed against you.
Yes, my people, remember,
Wow.
say this one, Euro Football Yans, who they always talk about, the Euro Ball Yans, like we call them on top, Football Republic podcast. We will come that way again next week. Remember, if you subscribe on top of our YouTube channel, will be Football Republic NG. Subscribe there so that you go to see our new and latest videos. Who they carry to come give now. Till I enter yard again next time. In a Kaja, in a Dewell, Naja at the Halo.